Hey, what's up you guys? Putting a trailer hitch on your Nissan Murano can take you to some really cool places, whether it be through bike riding, camping, or even towing a U-Haul trailer through most of North America. So let's go ahead and break down that really easy install for you. You'll need the tools seen here to complete your installation. Alright guys, to prep the underbody of the vehicle, if you have a tow hook or if you have any foam underneath both sides of the frame rail, you'll need to remove those. Our vehicle does not have that, so let's go ahead and show you those attachment points. On the driver's side, we'll be using these 3 holes, and on the passenger side, we'll be using this weld nut and this weld nut. Alright guys, now that we've pointed out our attachment holes, we're ready to bring our hitch into position. We'll be using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have a hitch jack, we do recommend that you get an extra set of hands, as the hitch can be a little heavy. Alright, now with the hitch lined up, we're going to go ahead and install our included bolt and conical tooth washer. And we're going to want to make sure that the teeth are facing up. And we'll repeat on the passenger side. All right, now that we have all of our hardware in place, we're going to go ahead and tighten and torque all of our bolts according to the manufacturer's specification. All of our bolts will be using a 19mm socket, and it helps to use a 5-inch extension. And we'll repeat on the passenger side. Alright guys, we went ahead and pulled the car down on level ground to show you some measurements for your hitch accessories. This is a 2-inch receiver, and from the pinhole to the edge of the bumper is 5.5 inches, and from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 12.5 inches. That will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories. All right guys, that wraps up our install. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions or need more information, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com.